Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are breaking down Ethereum, just simple straight facts. So let's get into it. Ethereum is like a super smart version of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is mainly used for sending and storing money, Ethereum can also run programs called smart contracts. These are like digital rules that run automatically, no middleman needed. So why do people use it? People use Ethereum for way more than just money. NFTs, DeFi, games and more, all built on Ethereum. So what is Ethereum? Ethereum, which is ETH, spelled ETH, is the money of Ethereum. You can use it to pay for things, use apps, and send to others like regular crypto. So how does it work? Instead of one big computer, Ethereum runs on many around the world. They work together to keep everything secure and fair. This is called a blockchain, a chain of blocks full of info that can be changed. So what is new with Ethereum? Ethereum recently upgraded to be faster and use less energy. It now uses something called proof of stake, which is better for the planet and lets you earn reward by staking Ethereum. So how do you get started? To use Ethereum, you need a wallet like Trust Wallet, Phantom, MetaMask. With it, you can buy Ethereum, send and receive, explore Ethereum apps easily. So, Ethereum is more than money. It's like an app store for the blockchain world. If you are if you are ready to explore crypto beyond just Bitcoin, Ethereum is a great place to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to get started with a wallet.